Okay guys, so you are now wanting to put together an ad campaign for Facebook, but you're not really sure how to put together ad copy. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're gonna speak a little bit how to structure your copy in order to get a more effective sales process going. If you're not really great at writing or you're not really understanding the way ad copy is written, then I personally would outsource this part of your campaign, okay? Because this is probably the most crucial part, and it's the way you communicate your message to others that is gonna resonate with somebody in order for them to purchase or buy your product, okay? So without this, your ad campaign is going to die. So you can put everything together, the videos, the images, make everything look really pretty, but if it's not resonating with anybody, then there's no sales. So let's dive in and take a look at what that looks like on my laptop. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about ad copy when you're creating a campaign on Facebook. You know, there are many places to write ads on the internet, but I choose Facebook for now. That's what I'm good at. You can do it on Google Ads and, you know, various other places. Facebook is also attached to Instagram, so if you wanted to do the same thing with Instagram, this is all pretty much the same thing, okay? So you just gotta attach an Instagram business page instead of a Facebook instant page, or you can do both, okay? So what I'm showing you here is a kind of a bird's eye view of what a campaign looks like. So you have your main campaign, which has your main objective, which is to advertise for a personal trainer. And in order to do that, you want to create several ads, and you want to make sure that you don't just kind of pigeon yourself to one type of audience or targeted demographic. So the way you do that and the way you can set that up with Facebook is that you can have one campaign that has 3 different ad sets, okay, and each ad set will have an individual ad attached to it. All right, so let's talk about moms. All right, and I mentioned this on the last tutorial that I spoke about putting together an ad campaign for Facebook. All right, I just didn't cover the topic of ad copy. So this first ad set could be for moms, right? It could be targeted towards talking about moms' issues, and then you could put different images of a trainer training somebody that would resemble a mom trying to lose weight. Same thing with this one. This is a different set of ad copy where we're talking and communicating to a different set of audience. Maybe it's dads, okay, or busy professionals, and the messaging is going to be geared towards them. And then of course, each one of these ads is going to have the same exact ad copy but different images, okay? Same thing here. This can be geared towards athletes or just the general public, all right? And then same thing, a trainer training, you know, either an athlete doing agility tests or vertical tests, or somebody just training an individual that is just an average person trying to lose weight or gain muscle or whatever you want to gear that ad copy towards. All right, so I did some examples over here, and I kind of want to go over just the main structure of putting together ad copy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to speak on the problem that the person is facing. So you want to bring that up right off the bat, pull somebody in. Yeah, that's me. I'm having problems losing weight. And then you want to agitate the problem by throwing in some sort of story or an analogy or something that they can resonate with. All right. Third thing would be to kind of give you some backup, make them feel like they're not alone. Okay, show some stats. And then you're going to be the hero by offering the solution to their problem. And then, which is basically your offer. All right, what are you offering? So in this offer, there's some sort of solution for their problems. And then after that, you're going to add some sort of scarcity in your text, talking about I have 5 passes left or 2 days left for a special, and that way they better take your offer and run with it because it's going to expire. So then after you drop in that text with scarcity, then you're gonna have the call to action, okay, which means you know, press here, sign up button, press below, etc. All right. So that's the structure when you're talking about putting these ads together. So I put together something, I wrote these really fast. So this is not, this is similar to the structure, but you know, you kind of want to write a few different revisions, and you want to sit down and kind of go over with other people to make sure that it is something that sounds good or is appealing or would draw somebody in, kind of go over with other people. Or you can just outsource this part to an actual professional writer, which I would highly recommend. I do that for my more expensive projects. I hire somebody that knows how to write, and that is a skill that is, sometimes it's like one of those things where either you got it or you don't, and it takes years to get good at it. So if you haven't been in sales or you don't know how to write persuasive writing, I would practice but pay somebody else while I'm practicing, because it's just one of those things that in sales, if you don't know how to communicate your offer, everything you're doing, all the creating of the ads, all the creating of the images or the videos, none of that stuff counts, okay, if you can't communicate. So with that, let's just go into these examples. So attention, out Los Alamitos, that I should have put that first. Call out the city that they're in. That's important. I would have that in almost all your advertisements. Whoever you're calling now, call out their city first, and then the type of individual that you're trying to get attention from. Attention Los Alamitos dads. Are you showering with your eyes closed to get a couple more minutes of sleep every morning? Do you road rage your way to Starbucks to pack those 2,000 calories of Frappuccino, cream cheese, lace, bagels before you go to work? Okay, more pain. Maybe your kids laugh at you when you are choking on your spit while trying to catch your breath from playing patty cake with a 12-year-old. More pain. Okay, well, you're not alone. Here's the stat. According to the CDC, dads carry 5 extra pounds and lose an additional 5 extra pounds of muscle, so that although on average Cotton Power weigh the same, their body compositions are very different. Good thing we're here at blank, whatever fitness, gym, or personal trainer. We don't prescribe patty cake workouts made just for anyone. We build real health and fitness systems tailor-made for you, no matter where you are in your fitness journey. Personal training sessions include current health and fitness status check, goal strategy session, nutritional plan, weekly. So this is the solution to their problem. Okay, this is also your offer. And because it is our core mission to help dads with their health and their body and their mind, next level, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is the call to action. Hurry, we only have this is the scarcity. Hurry, we only have 5 spots left. Below to claim your free session. Our personal training system is unique, backed with years of research, results led by okay, so don't miss out. This is the call to action down here. Click the button below to claim your spot. Okay, so that's just an example of fitting in within this structure. So if you can master this structure, you can write any ad copy, okay? As long as you're persuasive, try and be funny if you can, try and be serious when it needs to be, but try and hit them in the heart, okay? You gotta hit them with emotion. Nobody buys anything off of stats, okay? Anything that's bought on the planet is backed by logic, but bought with emotion. So make sure when you're writing, your intention is to get somebody right in the gut. They get those butterflies in their stomach when you offer them that solution. Like, hey, maybe I should check these guys out. I've been having trouble losing weight. Maybe I should hire a professional. Maybe I need some accountability. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing, etc. So this is more for the general public. Okay, did you set another weight loss goal this month and fall short of expectations once again? Do you still look at the corner of the closet where you store your clothes you're going to fit in once you lose the 20 pounds? Well, numerous studies show a massive increase in achievement of fitness goals when you are accountable to somebody else who tailors a strategy fit to you and your lifestyle. So let's face reality, it's not about the reps and sets. Most workout solutions weren't made for us. They were made for everyone else on everyone else's schedule. Well, not anymore. Here at We don't prescribe generic workouts. We build health and fitness system tailored made for you, no matter where you are starting from. And then we go into the same stuff. This is the offer. This can almost be boilerplated. Call to action right here, 5 spots left. You can offer a little bit more, throw some more sugar on top, and then don't miss out on a chance to grab your future personal training session. Only 5 spots left. Click the button below. Okay, same thing here for mom. Here's the pain. Hey, LA moms, call out the city, call out the demographic that you're looking for. We know how gratifying children can be, but our bodies aren't thanking us for all the wear and tear that goes along with childbirth. So you've tried the Atkins, paleo, and keto diets, but nothing seems to work. You tried working out to YouTube fitness gurus, but motivation soon fizzled out. Well, you're not alone. Okay, then quote the stat. Well, if this is you, then take a look at this. Here at, we don't prescribe generic workouts. Okay, so this is very similar to the last ad copy. So I basically just changed the top, make this for moms. So I changed all the ad copy to kind of hit pain points that a lot of moms might face. I hit them with the stats here. Okay, this is the offer. This is the urgency. This is the call to action. So they're all pretty similar. So once you're done writing all these things out, then you can go back into your Facebook page and you can plug them in. Let's copy all this. Let's go into Facebook. Okay, so right underneath where your image or whatever creative that you put together is the primary text. Okay, and you might want to put some emojis in there, even though I hate them. I don't use them personally myself, but for ads, for some reasons, studies showed that you throw a couple of those in there, it's very familiar to a lot of people and they feel more comfortable, apparently, whatever. So that's writing ad copy in a nutshell. So I hope you guys got some out of this. Good luck. Take care. Bye. Okay guys, I hope after this tutorial you are a little more clear on how to write ad copy correctly and that you're going to be able to use this in your advertisement going forward. So again, if you have questions or if you need a consultation on any of this stuff, then don't hesitate to go ahead and leave a comment or message me on Facebook or Instagram or any other channel that I leave below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification button so the next time I have content, you will get it, okay? So for now, you guys take care and good luck with your business.